Hi, this is Renee here, and welcome to my presentation of the Capstone Machine Learning Azure Machine Learning Nano Degree. I will start off by showing you the data set that I've chose for my analysis, which is basically a data set that I've got from the UCI Machine Learning Data Repository, and the data set is called Online News Popularity. As you can see on this notebook, I start by doing some analysis of correlation analysis to understand which variables are correlated, because this dataset comes with many features. Later on, I apply a technique called Baruta, which allows me to select a subset of the features. And now that I've managed to get that, I'm able to save the Boruta model that I've created, and subsequently um, um, store that on my GitHub repository. Um, Now that we've got the data set with the Boruta, which allows us for feature selection, we can now start playing around with automatic machine learning. In this step, I load the workspace, create a compute target, um, upload the dataset to the Azure Data Store, um, launch the model, auto ML configuration, run the experiment, and then my best model is a voting ensemble with 67.55% accuracy. Not too bad. But let's see what the hyper tribe is telling us. Similar concept for initial steps, and then later on create an environment. For that, for the hyperdrive, I chose to run on a light GBM. Light GBM because it's an algorithm that has proven to be very successful for many cargo competition. For my light GBM, these are my hyperparameters that I've chosen. Created a configuration file, submit, and run the model, and I get an accuracy of 68.29%, which turns out to be a much better model than the automatic machine learning. And these are the parameters that have been selected from after optimizing using a Bayesian approach for hyperparameter tuning. And this is the model that will be deployed because it's a better model than automatic machine learning. For that, I need to find the path to the pkl file, wrote a score.py script, and then created a web service using Azure Container Instance. And as you can see, it's healthy. Got the two links to the Swagger and the scoring inference. Then later on, what we do is we're testing that by taking a subset of the test data that we convert into a JSON format, and then that we load and we score the model, and we can see that it's giving us some results. And this is basically the log file from that. Also did some enabling the login to the web app using the logs.py script, and as you can see, it's working. It's giving us some good results. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you.